Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Make sure that your card is not an Apple Store gift card. When you redeem an App Store and iTunes gift card or redeem an Apple gift card, tap or click. You can also enter your code manually. Make sure that you enter the redemption code that begins with X, not a different number on the card.
Take our lead.
Redeem a gift card on your Android device. Peel or gently scratch off the label on the back of the gift card to reveal a 16-digit code that starts with X. Open the Apple Music app. Tap the menu button. Then tap Account. Tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. Enter the 16-digit code that begins with X. Then tap Redeem.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.